Hi, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today I'm going to be removing two light fixtures from my home. You can see that they're all faded from the sun. They don't look as good anymore, so I'm going to remove this big one here. I'm going to remove one over my garage door, and we're going to paint them on the cheap, and they're going to look really good when we're done. But first we have two nuts here that hold on the light fixture to the wall, so we have to loosen them with a pair of pliers to get the light fixture down. So that's loose. It's hard to believe that it just takes two nuts to hold this whole light fixture. This is a big light fixture. I imagine it's got some weight to it, and it definitely does, and it holds it to the wall. Okay. So that's another issue. We have wasps. We could get wasp nests under there, and they're nasty, especially on a windy day like today. So I'm going to give them a little dose of some wasp killer here so I can get on with my job. So I'm going to have to undo those wires and that small cable that holds the light fixture. In the meantime, this is the other one we're going to remove. It is definitely faded. So we're going to remove that one, paint it as well. And this one here is above our garage doors. So I took this light fixture apart, and this part here just goes over here like this, and then it's held on with this nut here. So I took it apart because I wanted to get the light bulbs out of it. The light bulbs are out. And these parts here, these sleeves here, they come off, and I'm going to paint them as well because you can see them through the glass. And we'll paint this bar here, we'll paint the bottom here, the base, and this. We'll paint everything that needs to be painted because you can see how faded this is, right? Like, that's what it used to look like. This is the faded part. Plus I have to clean it. You know, there's bird crap here on top. We'll take all the cobwebs out. I'm not sure. I imagine we can remove this glass. Yeah, it looks like if I undo all these screws here, maybe we can get that glass out of there. If not, I'll just tape it up. And I'm not really looking forward to taping all this glass, but I think we can get this glass out of there, because if you ever had a broken one, it feels loose. Yeah, there's got to be a way to get this glass out. It must have something to do with these screws here and these tubes inside here to be able to remove that glass. I also took off the light above the garage. See, it's quite faded. I'll take it off and get the glass out of it. So for this one here, I'm probably going to have to take each screw out of here at the back, 5 of them, and it'll separate, and then I can probably get the glass out, no problem. And for this fixture here, I just took the top screws out that went on that crown and into here, and that got all the glass out. Now I'm going to clean all the pieces here, take that apart, clean it up, clean all these, make sure everything's good and clean and dusted, and then I'll paint them. Put them back together. Okay, we got the parts all cleaned up and they're ready to be painted. So I think I'm just going to start with this one here. We'll put it ahead a bit so any overspray might go on there. Try what we can. It's a little windy out here, so I'll have to be careful. It's actually covering pretty good. I'm using gloss black because our doors are pretty glossy. That's looking pretty good. It's going to look so much better. Just using a rattle can. Hopefully I don't run out. I had this paint for a while. Oh. These are the sleeves that go under the lights. Give them a little shot as well. Look at that compared to this side. What a difference. And we'll just lay it down, do this side. I think that's going to do it. So we got a bunch of pieces done. I'll do this one now, and we'll see what it looks like when they're all dry. There we go, all the pieces are painted. Leave them outside here for a while, let them dry. It's supposed to get a thunderstorm, but I think we've got a couple hours yet. But everything's painted up good enough, and we'll be able to reassemble it all and attach it back to the wall and see how they look. There we go, we got the biggest lamp reinstalled. It looks really good with the clean glass and all the black metal painted again. So that's how that looks. So we'll stand back here a bit, take another look. Looks good with the black door and the black shutters. See, before when it was all faded, it didn't look as good. And this just makes everything pop even nicer. So yeah, now we'll go look at the light above the garage door. There we go, we've got the other one there up above the garage door. Looks nice and clean. So it only took one can of black spray paint, and I did the whole job for like whatever that cost. Like maybe nowadays they're probably 12 bucks for a can of spray paint. I don't even know, but I had that here for a while, so I didn't have to go out and buy it. It's a cheap way to update your lighting outside and make everything look new again. Looks really good. Now I just got to work on these garage doors, get them painted as well, and because they're all faded and don't look very good, so we'll get that done. But thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.